You may have come across instances where, while listening to music or watching videos on your computer, the audio levels sometimes fluctuate between being too high and too low, even when your device's media volume stays stagnant. This common problem for most people has seemingly only one solution: changing the volume level repeatedly to adjust it with the varying audio frequencies. Still, it is only so long that a person can go on without getting annoyed out of their mind. This is where loudness equalization can come to your rescue on Windows 11 and 10. This functionality helps control audio levels by bringing both sounds that are too high pitched and those that are too low pitched to an average level, thus eliminating the need for you to flicker with your computer's volume constantly. This is the Windows Club. There are several applications that offer this feature, and while it will be a soothing experience for you to listen to music or watch videos in one such program, the loudness equalization will only be limited to that particular application. Instead, you can enable the loudness equalization, which will help normalize audio levels for files played across all programs on your computer. Let's get started. How to enable loudness equalization on Windows PC? Type in the words Control Panel on the search pane of your taskbar and open it. Here, you will see a search bar on the top right corner of the screen. Type the word sound there and press enter. This will present you with your system's sound settings. Here, click on Manage Audio Devices, which will then open a separate dialog box for you. Click on the audio output device in which you want to enable the loudness equalization setting. After having selected the audio device, click on Properties from the bottom right. Select Enhancement from the array of categories on the top of the dialog box. Enable loudness equalization and apply these settings. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.